All right, it's not all fun and games and travel for me, unfortunately. Today, got a little maintenance. I've got a slow draining shower drain behind me that's probably just from years of hair falling down the drain and clogging it up. We're gonna pop that top off, take a look, and probably just snake it out. The first thing I like to do is glove up. I really just don't want to be touching all of that nasty stuff that's down the drain. So now that that's done, we'll get to work. I'm using a flathead screwdriver here to pop the top off of this drain. There are indentations on both sides, which should get it off nice and easily. There we go. And here's our front row seat to all that nasty stuff. This is why we glove up. Once I finished vomiting from all that nasty stuff, I cleared it out of the drain and grabbed my snake. This is a normal everyday drain snake that you can grab at any home improvement store. It's got a set pin on the front, releases the corkscrew and the cable. You feed it down into that drain, and just a little bit up and down movement, snaking it into the pipe. And once you come across some kind of an obstruction, you'll want to tighten that set screw, give that a little spin, kind of grabs onto whatever's clogging down there. You do this a couple times, and then you're going to want to pull it back up and see what you found. And here we have a snake full of drain clogging goodness. I vomited one more time, then cleaned up, got that drain cover back on, and ran the water for a while, and everything looks great.